My trip to Lataguri, a supernatural story. I have been to Lataguri many times. From Jatra Prasad, Chapramari, I have seen rhinos, elephants, bisons, but from a good distance. I haven't had much of an adventure. I decided to go into the Lataguri forest in the dead of night. I expressed my desire to my guide, Mr. Torovdar. Torovdar replied, "Look, a forest is very risky at dead of night. During daytime a forest looks something, but at night a forest looks something different, scary." I said, "I want to see that scary appearance of the forest. There's only one life to live." He said, "All right, in that case you come on the next full moon. But vehicles would not go into the forest at night. You will have to move on foot." I replied, "I am game." Next full moon, I reached Lataguri with a sense of adventure whirling in my mind. I don't know what's going to happen tonight. I had put up at the Lataguri resort, room number 209. At 11 in the night, I heard the calling bell ringing. I opened the door. I saw a girl of 18 or 19. She had a dusky complexion. I asked her, "Who are you?" She replied,
"I'm Nilima, daughter of Mr. Taravdar. Today he is caught up with an urgent piece of work, so I will guide you in the forest."
I became annoyed and said, "You are a small girl. You will guide me in the forest." I called off Mr. Torovdar, but he was out of reach. Nilima said,
"Brother, you don't worry. I know the way inside the forest very well. You won't have any problem."
I thought for a while and replied, "All right, let's go." Both of us set off for the forest. I cannot express in words the beauty of the forest at night time. I saw a herd of bisons, a herd of elephants, and quite a few rhinos sleeping. Nilima said,
"No guide will bring you to this part of the forest. Everyone is scared of this part."
I replied, "Yes, I have never come to this part." Nilima said,
"Brother, please walk carefully. There are many poisonous snakes in this forest. One bite and you are gone."
I said, "Is that so? Nilima, are you not scared here?" She replied,
"I have nothing more to lose. Now this forest is everything that I have."
I couldn't quite follow the puzzle in Nilima's words. The forest on the right appeared to be more scary. I said, "Let's go to that side." Nilima replied,
"Brother, do not go to that side. There is a rough elephant on that side. Whenever it sees any human being, it comes charging."
The whole night, both of us savored the beauty of the forest. It was daybreak. The sun came up. Nilima said,
"Brother, now I will have to go."
Nilima led me up to the main road and then, without saying anything, she started walking in the opposite direction. I called out at her, but she did not respond. A weird girl. I have returned to Lataguri resort. Feeling very exhausted, I had fallen asleep. Suddenly, the calling bell rang. It was 11 o'clock then. I opened the door. Mr. Torovdar came inside. He said, "Mr. Adhikari, I am extremely sorry. I couldn't come last night. Actually, my son had fallen very ill last night, so I had to hospitalize him." I replied, "I didn't have any problem. Your daughter Nilima had guided me inside the forest very well." He suddenly lost his temper and said, "Are you making fun of me? Don't you know that my daughter had died 7 years ago from snake bite? Then she was only 19. I wanted to say something, but I was speechless. I fell unconscious.